the fertilizer files. Oh, I don't know.
The fertilizer files. Anyway, I'm pretty sure we did. We put leaf mold first, and the rest is rainwater. So it won't kill the bacteria, you know, if we've put in city water with chlorine.
Okay, so what else do we have?
Also in the chicken coop, when I feed the chickens weeds.
Weeds we just pick up of the neighbor's yard and our yard and everything.
Because the chickens love the weeds.
So after they're done eating it, stomping it, we throw it all in here. So nothing goes to waste.
Nothing goes to waste. Watermelon rinds, that's all what the chickens didn't want to finish eating. They'll compost everything after a while if you leave it, but I try to keep the coop a little bit cleaner, so we're going to put this. We could put this in the compost if we wanted to. In fact, I might put some of it in the compost and then leave the rest for stinging nettle, because I want to put a lot of stinging nettle in this one this year.
Yeah.
So we'll put this in the compost to finish it off. And let's get the stick in there. We'll let that
sit and soak.
2 weeks at least, and then we're going to probably let it sit for a year, you know, and just use it as we need it.
And as we need it, we have this one.
Because it'll be very strong.
Open this one. Let's see. This one has been sitting in there longer, rooting, and it's probably gonna have bubbles.
Rooting or brewing?
Brewing. That's. I mean, I'm Latin, so I don't know what I'm saying.
On top? That's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
What is it? Rooting?
Brooding.
Brooding. Yeah. Brewing. Yeah.
Saying it right.
English. Well, you know, yeah.
Boy, this stinks.
Hit it, mama.
This stinks to HELL and back. Woo! Look at that.
Ooh,
if you could have smell-o-vision.
Ooh, snap. Just fart. It smells like rotten egg fart. Like, ooh.
That's some good stuff.
Yeah, like someone took a dookie and then flushed.
I think it smells worse than that.
Ooh, okay.
So the mosquitoes don't go in there.
Okay, these are the what is it files, baby? The
what?
What do we call this? The not the farming files, the fertilizer files. Oh snap! There we go. Sorry, I glitched. Bam.
We're laughing because I got confused about which of the pepper trees is female and male, and Boris was like, the ones with the red seeds on it.
This is the female.
Yeah, and I thought it was the male. So
yeah, no. This is Mrs. Tree. Mr. Tree is on the other side over there.
All right, now we're going to look in here and see. This one is mostly fruit. Do you see that white stuff? That's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
That's mostly fruit. This is also fertilizer, homemade fertilizer, just water.
This is mostly fruit in this one. I mean, there's greens too, but I've got a lot of fruit. I've got persimmons. I got banana peels.
So it would make sense to if we're gonna use fertilizer, say for the apple tree up at the top, we would use this fertilizer because it's got fruit, right?
Yeah, but
or it doesn't matter.
If you really want to go with the method,
use only apples.
We would just use only the apple leaves and the apple fruit.
Oh snap!
And we would put that on the apple, and it would be from that particular tree.
Oh yeah, so it's like using stem cells on humans from your very own stem cells.
Exactly.
Bam.
There's no citrus in here.
I eat Smarties. That's how I know.
So
okay.
You don't want to put citrus.
We don't want to put citrus in here. No nasty. No lemon. None.
No lemon. No oranges. No.
And here we are eventually gonna make another compost bin in here too, but
this is where
that's for another day.
That's where the mushrooms
are being.
We're waiting for mycelium. Hey, did we show